think an interesting thing has happened, I suppose, because the internet and the web are global. We've been able to reach out to people from all over the world, and so there's been an incentive to scale to this huge extent. And we've got to a point, I think, where actually the very local has been overlooked, and there aren't that many services and products and sort of offerings, things that have been developed that really try to address this situation of what do you do in that area, around your house, around where you live. How it doesn't actually help you in very many ways to connect with people who are close to you geographically, and I think that's what I'm interested in looking at the moment, is how you address the social needs, how you develop things that make it easy for people to behave well, to support the social needs that are in the area immediately around where they are. I run a project called Good Gym. So it's goodgym.org, goodgym.org. And what we do is we connect people who want to get fit, people who would ordinarily go to the gym, and we match them with physical tasks in their community. So a lot of people run to visit elderly, immobile people who are stuck at home, deliver them the newspaper, check they're okay, and run home again. And then we also do other projects that are like sort of running flash mobs for good. So we run somewhere with a group of people, we'll fix something, maybe a garden, maybe painting a wall, maybe helping a school, and we fix the problem and then we run back again. So the idea is that we're matching that one need, which is the need to get fit, with another need, which is various different social issues. We need to put more energy into our communities, and yet we're also people paying to get rid of energy from their bodies in gyms. So it's trying to put these two problems together in a way that creates a solution. I think that there is more and more going on globally to look at these things. I think there is still, obviously, in a lot of the investment that goes into technology goes into commercial products. Those commercial products, again, usually try to scale globally. So that's where I think you get this overlooking of the locals. So I think something very interesting will happen when the websites that are used very popularly locally, things like Craigslist in America or FreeCycle here, they look rubbish, but the idea is fantastic and should be very easy and more popular than it is. But once those start to mature, once those get the same types of design and user experience as some of the more commercial services, then I think really interesting things will happen locally. So I think we're at that stage where it's no particular organisation's responsibility, but hopefully the technology is reaching that sort of maturity where its application sort of becomes social.